Hey guys, today we're doing page 50 and the title of the song is Position G. As we've learned before, we've already learned middle C position and C position, and now we're learning the G position. And if you look at the piano up here, you'll see that the right hand is no longer a middle C, but is moved up to G, and it starts on G and ends on D, and the left hand now starts on D and ends on G. So on the actual piano, this is what your fingers are supposed to look like. So your right hand is supposed to start on G and end on D, while your left hand is supposed to start on D and end on G. Like that. Okay, so now I'm going to play the song, and it goes like this. Okay, and I'm going to do that again, slowly, and it goes like this. Okay, and that's it for today, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!